What's the meaning of banishment? Banishment. Banishment.
Banishment. Banishment. Banishment refers to the act of forcing someone to leave a particular place or group, often as a form of punishment. This may involve physical removal from a specific location or a social exclusion from a community. Banishment has been used throughout history as a means of controlling behavior and maintaining order in societies. It can be a severe and long-lasting punishment that affects an individual's self-esteem, relationships, and livelihood. The practice has been widely criticized for its potential harm to the person who is banished and for creating a culture of fear and oppression. In modern times, alternative forms of punishment have been developed to address the shortcomings of banishment.